Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. So here I have mentioned around 10 ways that you can just fix your screen time not working over iPhone. So the very first thing is restart your phone. Maybe there could be some glitch or bug. The second is check screen time settings. Ensure that screen time is enabled. Go to the settings, screen time, and make sure it's turned on. Also verify that you have a screen time for all the devices using the same Apple ID if you want to monitor all devices. The next thing is update iOS. Just update your software. If you see, just go to the setting general software update to check for any install available right now. The fourth one is check family setting sharing. If you're using a screen time as a part of family sharing, make sure it's probably or properly set up. Go to the settings, then it will show your name or phone name, family sharing, screen time, and ensure all the family members are correctly added and have screen time enabled. Ensure correct date and time. Incorrect date and time setting can cause screen time to malfunction. Sign out and sign in. This is the best solution, one of the best solution and easiest one. Disable and re-enable screen time. Reset all the settings. Just go to the general, reset all settings, but you have to apply all these filters once again. Check content and privacy restrictions. Ensure that the restrictions are currently configured. Go to the settings, screen time, content and privacy. Now contact Apple support. If you don't find any of the solution is working, just contact Apple support. They will fix according to whatever the need it is. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.